Are you wondering if toothbrushing is necessary for your baby? Let's find out together. Even before your baby's first tooth appears, oral care is important. You can start by gently cleaning their gums with a soft, damp cloth after feedings. Once those tiny teeth start coming in, it's time to introduce a baby-friendly toothbrush. Why is this important? Baby teeth may be small, but they're crucial for your child's development. They help with chewing, speech development, and they hold space for the permanent teeth. Start brushing your baby's teeth twice a day using a tiny smear of fluoride toothpaste. Make it a fun and positive experience, so your baby gets used to this routine early on. Remember, healthy baby teeth set the foundation for healthy adult teeth. So yes, toothbrushing is definitely necessary for your baby. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more baby health tips.